Okay everyone, next step in my set of videos here on the cooling system is I'm working on the fan clutch. I took the fan out here on the front of the motor here as part of a larger deal where I'm going to next do the radiator. I just did the thermostat, but if you're only doing the fan clutch, what you're going to have to do is remove the tube on your throttle body here, put a rag in your throttle body so a bunch of dirt and crap doesn't get down in it. And you can see down here these 4 posts. That's where the fan was hooked onto. There's 10mm nuts on there. They come off pretty easy. At that point you need to get your fan out, and for me it was pretty easy because I took the shroud out and I also have all these coolant hoses out. It might be more difficult if you're only doing the fan clutch, but you'll have to see what your clearance is. If you are doing more, make sure that your radiator is drained before you pop those hoses off. There's a nice little drain plug down at the bottom there. You can see it right there. And so I'll take you over to the fan clutch itself. This is really simple. We got the fan here with the fan clutch. There were 4 10mm bolts that I pulled off, and there's the new one. So you're just going to bolt it onto the new one and then put the fan back in the truck. So keep watching for the next video here. I'll start when I get the radiator out and talk about that. But if this is the only video you watch, like and subscribe. I'm not a big YouTube person, but I'm happy to answer comments and try to grow a little community here of videos to help the regular guy out. So thank you for watching.